Hey guys, welcome back to Rod Smoking Stuff Outside. Today on the channel we're going to be making a double smoked ham. Not just any double smoked ham. What I've done is I went to ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT to make me a recipe for a pellet grill to cook a honey baked ham, just like the honey baked ham store. So we're going to follow ChatGPT's recipe and see how it turns out. Stick around. Alright, so we have us a spiral cut ham here. This one is what? How many poundages? 10 pounds, almost 11, 10.56 pounds. First thing we got to do, get this out of the package. First thing we want to do is just get this thing out of the package here so we can get it on the smoker. Now I've always glazed these when I put them on it first, but according to the recipe they've made up for us there, it says to put it on, cook it for 3 or 4 hours, and then glaze it. So that's what we're going to do. Alright guys, then it says to fill this with some apple juice. Not a lot, just like a cup. So that's what we put in there. And we're going to get this on the smoker. Alright guys, so we've got this on this Bradley rack, or you can use a cooling rack, whatever you have, over some apple juice, which is going to help to keep this moist. That's what it said on there. And we got our smoker set at 225. So we're going to get this thing going. We're going to close this up and we're going to let it go till it gets to about 145, and then we're going to start glazing this, and we'll bump the smoker up to 450 degrees according to our ChatGPT recipe. Alright guys, so our ham is almost done, so we're going to get our glaze made up. I already put all of our ingredients into this pan, and I'm going to tell you what those ingredients are, because this is our recipe off of ChatGPT. We're following that. Alright, so this is what's in our mix here. We got 1.5 cups of white sugar, 1/2 cup of honey, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of butter, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon of cloves. So that's what's in there. So we're just going to let this melt until everything comes together. I may have to, I'm going to add a little bit of apple juice to this maybe, if it's too thick. We'll see how it goes, but we'll see if ChatGPT's right, or if we need something added to it. Alright guys, we got our glaze done. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this smoker up to 450 degrees. We're going to put that glaze on there and let it just sizzle on there. Let it bake on there like a honey baked ham. So we're going to glaze it. We'll wait 6 to 7 minutes with it cook and glaze it again until we run out of glaze. Alright guys, we got this thing just going. So we're going to go ahead and get some of this glaze on here. So that's just to coat the outside of it. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, we're going to shut this down. It's going to cook for 5 to 7 minutes, and then we'll do it again. Alright guys, we're going to glaze this thing again. Okay, I'm going to let this roll again. Alright guys, I think this is going to be the final time we glaze this. So that's like 4 times. Alright guys, this thing is done. Look how lovely it is. Looks so good. Maybe ChatGPT is onto something. We're going to shut this thing down. Shut it down. I'm going to leave it open here for just a minute until it starts shutting down. And I'll close it up. I'm going to let it rest here for about 15-20 minutes. We'll move it over to this side away from the flame. And it'll keep it just warm until we're ready to eat here in just a couple minutes. Alright guys, our ham's been sitting here about 20-25 minutes. Look at that. We're going to get it over, get it cut up, and give it a try. Alright, I'm just going to pull a piece right out of the middle here. We're going to give this ChatGPT recipe ham a taste. You know, tastes pretty good. Dang, I might have to try that more often with my recipes. Man, that actually is really good. Who knew? Maybe ChatGPT knows what they're talking about. That's good ham, guys. Give us 2 thumbs up. Look at that. Look how it looks. It's amazing. Alright, I'm going to get this inside, cut it up, feed the family. You know the drill. If you like what you see, thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.